How to go completely natural with cosmetics. Natural cosmetics have been making a big boom in the market lately. While you might be skeptical that they're just another gimmick, natural products are a healthy alternative to your normal cosmetics. Traditional cosmetics contain all sorts of unnatural chemicals that build up in your skin, seep into your pores, and sometimes build up in your body. By using natural products you can avoid this. Another benefit to natural cosmetics is they won't irritate your skin or cause an allergic reaction. Often, acne and other skin conditions are actually an allergic reaction to chemicals in your makeup and other skincare products. Keep in mind, however, that unlike certified organic, the word natural is not regulated. This means pretty much any cosmetics producer can put the word natural on something, no matter what it contains. Many mainstream products that are sold as natural still contain dangerous artificial chemicals. To find real natural products, you should look to see if an independent company has verified that the product is natural. But again, anyone can certify a product because there is no government regulation. Some companies even create their own certification to say they have a natural product. Research different companies that verify natural products to find certifications that you know you can trust. The best way to tell a quality natural cosmetic is by looking at the first ingredient. Believe it or not, if the water is the first ingredient, that's a sign to stay away. Water dilutes the product, meaning you have to use a lot more to get the same effect. But don't stop looking there, keep reading the list. If there's a word that's long and unpronounceable, that's a good sign that you should keep looking. If it sounds like an artificial chemical, it probably is. If you've tried natural cosmetics before and didn't like them, that doesn't mean you need to give up. It used to be, there were only a few products that were really natural. Now the internet has provided us with an outlet to get all kinds of different products from different retailers. That means not only price lower due to competition, many online retailers will even send free samples if you pay to ship, but you can always try a different product if one doesn't work for you. If you want real benefit, opt for other natural skin and hair care products as well. Keeping dangerous chemicals out of your makeup can only help so much if you're still using traditional moisturizers, face wash, and other personal care products. There are many recipes and natural alternatives you can make yourself at home as a replacement for these store-bought products. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more future videos and do like, share and comment below.